Acts
Acts
chapter 27,
chapter 27,
1 to
1 to
chapter 27,
chapter 27,
10.
10.
And when it was decided that
And when it was decided that
we should sail for
we should sail for
Italy,
Italy,
they delivered Paul
they delivered Paul
and some other prisoners
and some other prisoners
to a centurion
to a centurion
of the Augustan
of the Augustan
cohort
cohort
named Julius,
named Julius,
and embarking in a ship
and embarking in a ship
of
of
Adramyttium,
Adramyttium,
which was about to sail
which was about to sail
to the ports
to the port
along the coast of Asia.
along the coast of Asia.
We put to sea,
We put to sea,
accompanied by
accompanied by
Aristarchus,
Aristarchus,
a Macedonian
a Macedonian
from Thessalonica.
from Thessalonica.
The next day,
The next day,
we put in
we put in
at Sidon,
at Sidon,
and Julius
and Julius
treated Paul
treated Paul
kindly
kindly
and gave him
and gave him
leave to go
leave to go
to his friends
to his friends
and be cared for.
and be cared for.
And putting out to sea,
And putting out to sea,
from there
from there
we sail
we sail
under the lee of Cyprus,
under the lee of Cyprus,
because
because
the winds were against us.
the winds were against us.
And when we had sailed
And when we had sailed
across the open sea,
across the open sea,
along the coast of
along the coast of
Cilicia
Cilicia
and
and
Pamphylia,
Pamphylia,
we came to
we came to
Myra
Myra
in Lycia.
in Lycia.
There
There,
the centurion found
the centurion found
a ship of
a ship of
Alexandria
Alexandria
sailing for Italy,
sailing for Italy,
and put us on board.
and put us on board.
We sailed slowly
We sailed slowly
for a number of days
for a number of days
and arrived with
and arrived with
difficulty of
difficulty of
Cnidus,
Cnidus,
and as the wind
and as the wind
did not allow us
did not allow us
to go farther,
to go further,
we sailed under the lee of
we sailed under the lee
Crete of
of
Salmon,
Salmon,
coasting along it
coasting along it
with difficulty.
with difficulty.
We came to a place
We came to a place
called
called
Fair Havens,
Fair Haven,
near
near
which was the city of
which was the city of
Lasea.
Lycia.
Since much time
Since much time
had passed,
had passed
and the voyage
and the voyage
was now dangerous,
was now dangerous
because
because
even the fast was
even the fast was
already over.
already over.
Paul advised them,
Paul advised them,
saying,
saying,
Sirs,
"Sirs,
I perceive that
I perceive that
the voyage will be
the voyage will be
with injury
with injury
and much loss,
and much loss,
not only of the cargo
not only of the cargo
and the ship,
and the ship,
but also of
but also of
our lives.
our lives."